In this video, we'll take a look at the Portalink AnyOrder mapping tool. This tool allows the user to create a mapping for a particular company for future order attachments. Navigate to the inbox page, and let's open an order with a new template attachment. When an order first comes into the portal, the user must link an account by choosing the email identifier and the company. After the successful account linking, a confirmation message will appear at the bottom, as well as a banner stating Request Mapping. If we open this order attachment, we can see a template that has not been used in previous orders. Click on the Request Mapping button, and the banner will turn from red to green. The system has finished creating a mapping for this company. Now it's time to verify the extracted data. Let's verify the order through the inbox page. Click the Verify button, and the mapping validation prompt will appear. There are 3 steps in this prompt, and the first is for validating the extracted order information. If the extracted information is correct, click on OK. If the information is inaccurate, click on Wrong, and then click on Fix to change the information. The user can either search for the correct value and then click on Apply Selected, or manually input the value, then click Use Manual Entry. After editing, click OK. After verifying all the items in this page, the user can proceed to the next step by clicking on Next. On the second step, the user can validate the line items extracted from the order template. Let's check whether all line items were extracted and if the product code, description, quantity, unit of measure, price, and total are correct. Click on Next for the last step, which is the purchase order summary. Here, the user can check the summary of the extracted order data. Once the user has confirmed that the extracted order data is accurate, click on Submit Mapping Verification. The Mapping Verified Successfully message will appear. Close the mapping tool, and the page will indicate that the mapping for this company has been verified. Click on the Retry button, and then a confirmation message will appear at the bottom. Refresh the page, and the status will change from pending to archived since the system has recognized the mapping of the order. Let's view the order in the Orders page. We will see the extracted information for the order number, order date, and the total. If we scroll to the bottom, we will see the extracted line items together with their respective product code, description, quantity, unit of measure, price, and total. That is how the Portalink AnyOrder mapping tool works.